Okay, guys, so last time I tried to give you the small explanations on midterm Bitcoin plans, right, guys? Okay, so we can see that Bitcoin have come to the zone right now, right? Okay, so but this is not a financial advice, guys. This is whatever I think, right? What the dragon thinks, right? Okay, so and it have come to my zone, right? So let's go and see, check it out, what is happening with the Bitcoin midterm plans, right, guys? Okay. So most probably, right, guys, okay, so midterm plan, right? This was the first plan that I have given you all, right? Okay, whereby we are going to buy above these levels, right? Okay, so from here on upper side, right? Okay, so this is one level, right? Where first plan was this one, right, guys? Okay, and the second plan was like second update that I have given you all. Hope you guys have checked it out, right? Okay, in fact, all right, part two, right, guys? Okay, on the part two, what was happening, right? It was crashing towards downside. So on the downside, we don't want to focus on a downside, right? Once the market happens to come to these levels, then only we are going to activate. I said something like that, right? Okay, so now it have come to these levels. All right, so let's go and check it out, right? Okay, on downside we are not focused wallet, right? Okay, so in a 1 hour time frame, this was the levels that we are checking for, right? On a downside, we are not focusing it. It crashed all the way down, right? And again came back to my entries, right? Okay, so from here my long plan started, right? Okay, so I'm still holding on upper side, and it have given me till now a 1.13 percentage move on upper side, right? Okay, so till when I'm going to hold this one, right? Okay, so in fact, if it happens to, there is a chance of giving you a small pullback from this breakout from towards the downside as well from here, right? Until and unless market is not giving you the market is not giving you, like, not getting out from the retest phase, I'm going to hold this one, right? Okay, with the stop loss in the zone, right? Okay, so my main target will be towards the $66,386 on upper side for the midterm Bitcoin plans, right? Okay, but this is not a financial advice, guys. All right, I'm just explaining you whatever I'm doing it, right? Okay, so from here I have planned for the long positions and I'm holding it, right? There is a small chances of market giving you a small pullback on the downside, giving you an upper side as well, right? Okay, so in fact, if it happens to give, right, I will be observing, I will be still holding, right? Okay, whereby the market happens to give me the retest pass or not, right? Once the retest gets passed, then I need to close it in case if the market if the trade fails, right? Okay, otherwise I'm going to hold with my stop loss on upper side, and I'm going to hold for almost 3% on upper side, right? So this is my midterm plans for now, right? Okay, so you make sure you do research and plan it accordingly. All right, okay, so this is the part three. Okay, so part one was the big plans, right? Okay, part two, you're coming nearer to your setups, and part three, it's going to it's the part of getting executed, right? Okay, so all the best, take care, guys, have a good time. Signing off, Dragon.